I would be a very bad teacher if I didn't tell you about adding comments to your JavaScript code. And when I first started out, I was like, ugh man, who needs comments? You know, we writing the code, we'll remember it. And truth be told, you just can't. The good thing about comments is that they remind you in 3 weeks' time, in 3 months' time, maybe even in 3 years' time, what you were trying to do at that specific time. So it's vital that you include comments in your code, not only for you, but it also tells other people what your code is meant to be doing. And the more complex you get with your code, the more comments you should make. But don't panic. You can write whatever comments you want because comments are not executed. It does not form part of JavaScript executable code. Well, how do you do comments? There are a few ways. If you're just wanting a one-line comment, you can just put those 2 forward slashes. If you're wanting a multi-line comment, you've got to do a forward slash and a star. Put all your text there and then end with a star forward slash. It's that simple. What's an example of comments, a practical example? And how do we actually include it in the code? Well, let's type it in here. Let's do it. So let's say we are writing code about a dog. Remember the 2 forward slashes as comments? You can literally start typing. This code relates to dogs and how awesome they are. And then you can write your real JavaScript code. Well, instead of doing console logs, I don't feel like opening the console. Let's just go document.write. Simple. Alright, spelled it incorrectly. I was trying to figure out why it's not working. So there it is there, our text that we've written. And remember the other way, so this was totally ignored, this comment. So there you go, there you have it. We can have comments that help us remember and tell others what our code is all about. The other way you can write a comment is remember forward slash and star. My comments are on multiple lines. And JavaScript will ignore that entire comment at the bottom. Cool, let's continue.